What initially made you decide to install the solar panels for your company?
So we've been on a sustainability journey for the past 2 years and very quickly identified that having solar would help reduce our scope 2 energy consumption and reduce our carbon emissions as part of the overall decarbonisation journey of the PLC.
How did you find the overall process?
Very straightforward from the Advantage Utilities and Genfit side of things. We engaged with Advantage Utilities at the start of the process, who guided us through it, and it was quite straightforward.
What are your thoughts on how the site team conducted themselves?
The guys on site were perfect, arrived exactly when they said they would, conducted themselves without any issues while they were here. Clean, tidy, efficient, no issues.
How well did our team communicate with you throughout the project?
Really well. We had great comms either via email or telephone calls or in person with the Genfit team, the guys on site, no issues.
What effect has having solar PV had for you on your business?
So it's early days. We were only about a month, 5 weeks into having the solar PV on site, but by monitoring the usage on the app, we can see already daily good consumption from solar panels, so it is reducing our draw on the grid.
How was your experience working with Genfit?
Really good, as we've said, really good, very helpful, guided us, found other things that were needed as part of the fit that maybe we hadn't considered. So yeah, very efficient and smooth process.
Is there anything you think we could improve on?
There really isn't. As I've said a few times now, we found the whole experience really straightforward and smooth. So no, very pleased to have worked with you.